Changing a punctured tire on the road is physically demanding and mentally draining. It's a process that requires a lot of work, and it will take a longer time to do. Under certain circumstances, such as when driving on a busy road or driving alone, changing a punctured tire poses a threat, as it can be inconvenient and dangerous. Tire repair kit is an alternative to a spare tire. It is safer, quicker, and gets you back on the road in less time. It is easy to use as long as the instructions shown on the kit are fully adhered to. When you notice you have a puncture, stop your car safely and away from traffic. Identify the leakage and do not remove the source. Next, locate the tire repair kit at driver's side's third row seat. Place the kit near the punctured tire and take the cable out for preparation. Connect and screw the air compressor hose securely to the tire sealant bottle. Then, remove the valve cap from the flat tire and screw the sealant bottle hose to the valve. Plug in the power cable into the power outlet, start the engine, and switch on the compressor. Do not operate the air compressor for more than 15 minutes. If the tire pressure doesn't reach 26 psi within 10 minutes, turn off the compressor and contact Nissan Tyre. If tire is inflated higher than 26 psi, release some air by using the air release cap. Then, inflate the tire again back to 26 psi. Once you're done, turn off the compressor and remove the power cable. Remove the hose and fit in the valve cap. Remove the speed limit sticker from the sealant bottle and place it at driver's side A-pillar so it is prominent enough for you to see while you're driving. This will help remind you of your punctured tire that needs immediate attention. Start driving immediately at a maximum speed of 80 km per hour to avoid sealant being hardened. Stop and recheck the tire pressure using the pressure gauge when you've driven 3 km or less. Make sure that the air compressor switch is in the off. If the tire pressure is at 26 psi, continue your journey and get the tire repaired or replaced at your nearest Nissan service center as soon as possible. If the pressure is under 19 psi, stop and contact Nissan Tyre for roadside assistance. If the pressure is between 19 and 26 psi, turn the air compressor switch to the on position and inflate the tire back to 26 psi. The tire repair kit is safe and easy to use. The gel used does not alter the shape of the tire, despite sealing all the leaking points. Therefore, the balance of the car is not affected in any way. Remember, repairing a punctured tire with tire repair kit is a temporary measure. Please visit our nearest Nissan service center at your earliest convenience. Thank you and have a safe journey.